Welcome to the advanced guide to the Betterment Android app. This comprehensive tutorial will walk you through the key features and best practices to help you get the most out of the app. To start, download and install the Betterment Android app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, launch the app and log into your account. If you are new to Betterment, you can sign up for an account directly within the app. The first step is to set up your financial goals. The app allows you to create multiple goals, such as saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or a big purchase. Each goal can be tailored to your individual needs, with options to set a target amount, time frame, and risk level. Next, you will need to fund your account. The app allows you to link your bank account and transfer funds directly into your Betterment account. You can also set up automatic deposits to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. The core of the Betterment app is its investment platform. The app offers a range of diversified investment portfolios, each tailored to a specific risk level and goal. The portfolios are regularly rebalanced to ensure they remain aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. One of the key features of the Betterment app is tax loss harvesting. This feature helps to minimize your tax liability by selling investments that have declined in value and using the losses to offset gains from other investments. To get the most out of the app, it is essential to monitor your accounts regularly. The app provides a clear and detailed breakdown of your accounts, including your portfolio balance, investment returns, and goal progress. In addition to the investment platform, the Betterment app also offers a range of tools and resources to help you manage your finances. These include budgeting tools, financial planning guides, and access to certified financial planners. Finally, the app prioritizes security and transparency. All accounts are protected by robust security measures, including two-factor authentication and encryption. The app also provides clear and detailed information about its fees, investment portfolios, and performance. By following these steps and utilizing the key features of the Betterment Android app, you can take control of your finances and work towards achieving your long-term goals. Remember to regularly review and adjust your accounts to ensure you remain on track to meet your objectives. With its comprehensive investment platform, robust security measures, and range of financial tools, the Betterment app is an excellent choice for anyone looking to manage their finances and achieve their goals.